everyone. I wanted to do a morning routine in the hostel traveling. So this is just one of my mornings. It's actually quite windy and cold outside. It is 10 o'clock. I just got up, made Emma company while she was eating breakfast because she started reception work at 10. I don't start until 2. So on the days where I start at 2, I like to get up and do something before work. Either go for a little workout, a run, but yesterday I did a run, so today I'm gonna do a mat workout. Or if I don't work out, I'm not feeling workout, I will go to the beach and get some tan or edit a video. Like, I will always want to do something productive before I start work. So that's what I'm going to bring you along today. Got my little yoga mat, my little water bottle. It's actually so windy today. It's not normally this windy, but I'm in my favourite little sunset/park area where we always come to do yoga. There's always lots of dogs here. I'm just really familiar with this place, and it's quite close to our hostel, so this is where I always go. And my friend Emma just tips me about a girl, Mad Fit, who does good like workout videos on YouTube, so I might try her 2-in-1 abs and booty home workout. 15 minutes, no equipment. I'm gonna do this one, I can link it down below. Got my broken water bottle with me. It's leaking, so I have to drink it like this. Okay, it's currently 20 past 10. I've got my earphones, which are a must. These are just studio wireless Bluetooth ones. Okay, let's go. People act. People act. But I'm going to pair this video with this 12 Now I'm going to just take a quick shower. The workout was like hard, but it wasn't like, oh, I'm going to die like out of sweat, so like it wasn't very intense. But now I'm going to have a shower and then I'm going to make some breakfast. So I just finished making my smoothie bowl. I put some peanut butter on top, some chia seeds, some muesli and a little bit of apple. Now I'm sitting out here outside the hostel in a little chair, enjoying the sun, and I'm gonna, sorry you can probably hear the music from the reception, but I'm gonna put my earphones in and listen to a podcast and just scroll my phone, social media. That's what I normally do. It's currently 11:45, so after this I've still got 2 hours before I start, which is nice. Okay, I'm gonna head to the beach for an hour or so because I've still got 2 hours left until I start work. It's like 12 now. I also just made myself a cup of coffee, which I'm drinking right now. And today's board, I'll just show you. We do this board every day because it's May the 4th. It's a funny one. The weather right now is pretty nice, but it was quite windy on the beach. So it is now 2:02. I'm at work in reception at the hostel I'm staying at. I'm doing work for accommodation, for those of you who didn't know. So yeah, my job, like, basically now because of corona we don't get many check-ins, but if we do get extensions I take the payments for that. I make sure everything's clean and tidy, choose music, basically just chill out here for 4 hours. I'm working until 6, so normally I get my laptop out and do a little bit of editing, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my socials, and I will see you in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though maybe it wasn't the longest. But yeah, my camera did die when I was doing that workout, but I did do her 12-minute full body workout as well, which I can also link down below. I love you all. Bye.